What is going on, you guys? Connor Chapman here, back with another video. This is going to be a winning product video, and I have a great product for you to sell because check this out right now. Try and guess what search term I put into Google Trends. I bet you won't guess it. This is a industry right now that is absolutely popping off. So every single year, it's been going up basically to the peak search interest around July. Okay, now it's June, and as you can see here, right, history is going to repeat itself. Boom. July, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, and now it's almost at its peak. So now is the time to jump on this product. I'm going to show you the product, I'm going to show you upsells, and I'm also going to show you the product description and what you guys should be naming this product. So let's jump right into the video. Here is the industry. The industry is going to be beach. Like I showed you, the last 5 years, the industry has just been popping off. But if we go to the last 12 months, this is a really great sign, okay? So it has had a dip, obviously, since last year, 2019, in June and July, and now it is just starting to pick up steam again, and it's nearly at its peak search interest, making it a perfect time to actually sell this. Now, one thing people won't tell you about the Google Trends is they'll mainly just talk about the, this chart up here. But what's cool is if you look down here, you can look at what states in the US are actually searching this the most. So Facebook ads, you actually have the ability to test to certain states. So for example, I could test just to the state of Florida, or I could test just to the state of California, and I could just test to those two really large states, and I wouldn't even necessarily need to narrow down by interest too much, or I could. That would actually work super well. They're searching this the most, clearly, right? They have 100 search interests here, 41 here. This one's at 91. So, the more people that are searching for this, Hawaii is another great one. The more people that are searching for this in those specific areas, you can actually target by geographic location. Now, I know you're probably asking
yourself, Connor, are you ever going to show me the product?
Well, yes, don't worry. I'll show you the product. I'm not going to waste your time, right? The worst thing I want is you guys to be watching my videos, spending 10 to 15 minutes of your life and not getting value out of it. And this winning product is the Sunshade Sun Protection Personal Tent. We're not going to call it that. We're going to be calling it Personal Beach Tent with UV protection, okay? This is a product that people can use when they're at the beach to basically keep them, protected from sun while still, getting a tan on the rest of their body. It also can, keep them cool, keep the wind away from them, because if you guys have ever gone to the beach, it can get really windy, you can get splashed with water, sand can be going everywhere. So this is just going to be a nice product where you can try and convey the vibe of being relaxed and enjoying your time at the beach versus having a horrible and miserable, okay? So this is the product, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down exactly what you should name the product, costs, the price, as well as the product description, okay? And stay tuned for the end because I do have a bonus for those of you who are sticking to the end of the video. So the product name is going to be Personal Beach Tent with UV Protection. The cost of this product, as we saw on AliExpress, was $41. What's cool about this product is you can ship it either from China or the US. So shipping from China is going to be obviously the less expensive route. And since this is generally a little bit bigger of a product, most likely when you switch to USPS, sure enough, $37. You can still get by with this. A shipping price of $37 is very high. If you work with a sourcing agent and try and get this product shipped, you most likely can get that shipping price down to probably around $20, $15 to $20. Or what you can do is get the price of the product down, and that'll help out with your margins. Let's say we were to ship this from China right now, using the shipping of $4.39. If you sell this product in your store at $89.95, it's going to leave you with a profit margin of over $40. Amazing profit margin. That's why this product's perfect. And I'm going to tell you as well at the end of this video how you can even push your profit margin up more. So for the product description, I generally like to keep it pretty short and simple. I like to do the product description, the main benefit of the product in bold, and then do a little dash and then explain that benefit. So I just came up with these really quick. First one is quick and easy pop-up. Opens and closes in less than 1 minute, yet strong enough to not get blown away by the strong winds. Second bullet is going to be sun protection. UPF 50 sun protection will keep you protected from harmful sun rays. No more worrying about a sunburn while you're at the beach relaxing. It's better to frame your product description in a way that's going to sell product rather than just telling them the benefits. So I could totally have just said opens and closes right away. Or I could have just said perfect, sunshade, right? That's not going to really describe the product. You want to try and put as much emotion into your product description as you can. And yes, you can copy these from me. I wrote these, so feel free to copy all of them if you want. It doesn't matter to me. That's why I wanted to put these videos out there for you guys to actually take advantage of it and apply it. Because there's going to be anywhere from probably less than 1,000 people watching this, right? So take advantage of the products I'm showing you because most likely people aren't going to take action. Ventilation made with light breathable mesh fabric for perfect ventilation so you can relax at the beach any day of the week. So I'm still providing that relaxing vibe. And then waterproof, keeps wind and water out so you can enjoy your day at the beach with friends. There's nothing worse than being wet and cold while trying to relax. Okay, so really great vibe to that whole product description, and I really like that. I think what I do in terms of structuring your product description is going to be put a GIF right below your add to cart, and then put this product description, put another image in a GIF, and then you can have your reviews. Keep it short and simple. People generally like to look at images and videos more so than they will read the product description. So focus more on your images and GIFs and finding the best ones out there rather than focusing on the product description. So I took the hard part out of the way. Now you can go find images and GIFs for this product. All right, this brings us to the bonus section of the video, which is the upsells and the bundles. I would bundle this product with the sundress and the tanning oil for increased AOV as well as increased profit. And these are the two products. All the links will be down below in this description for you to click on. This sundress is just a great product for women that are going to be at the beach. I've seen a lot of girls wear this, and it just seems like it's a trendy thing that you could be selling on your store as well, because odds are you're going to be marketing this to women that are going to the beach, and this is just another product you could throw in there. Pretty cheap, $13. I'd sell it for like $20 or $25, so you can make an extra couple dollars. And then the other product I would throw in there as well is going to be this watermelon moisturizing tanning oil. Categories out there in terms of like tanning oil or products or mists or sprays. So this is just a great product you can throw in. And honestly, it looks pretty product itself looks pretty cool. So I would say this is a great product that you could sell as well. I'd put the price on this around like $20 to $30. It really makes the store branded. You're using a niche in beach that is absolutely popping right now. Like, jump on these trends. Don't wait any longer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got videos every single day. So as always, keep your mind right. Peace.